So now consider this problem. Here we have the function f of x that is equal to mod of cosine x, and we have to find f prime of 11 pi by 6. So we have to find the value of the derivative of mod cos x at this point, right? So here x is 11 pi over 6. Now let us convert this angle into degrees. So we have 11 over 6, and pi radians is equal to 180 degrees. So here we have 30, and this is 330 degrees, right? And this angle 330 degrees, it belongs to the fourth quadrant, because here we have the quadrants. This is the first quadrant, second, third, and fourth. Here we have 0, here we have pi by 2, here we have pi, and here we have 3 pi by 2, and here we have 2 pi, right? So this angle 330 degrees, it falls in the fourth quadrant, right? So this angle is 330 degrees, and according to the sign convention of cosine function is positive in the first and fourth quadrant, right? So in these two quadrants cosine function is positive, and in these two quadrants, that is the second and third quadrant, the cosine function is negative, right? So according to the definition of mod function, we can write mod of p as positive p when p is greater than 0, 0 when p is 0, and negative p when p is less than 0. So mod of cosine x is defined as positive cosine x whenever cosine x is greater than 0, and 0 when cosine x is equal to 0, and negative of cosine x when cosine x is less than 0, right? So here we have x is equal to 330 degrees, which falls in the fourth quadrant. So cosine function is positive, right? Because mod of cosine x is equal to positive cosine x when x belongs to either the first quadrant or the fourth quadrant, and mod of cosine x is equal to negative of cosine x when x belongs to either second quadrant or the third quadrant. So here x is 330 degrees, that is, it falls in the fourth quadrant. So we can now define our function f of x as mod of cosine x is equal to positive cosine x. So now we can find out the derivative. So f prime of x is equal to d by dx of cosine x, that is negative of sine x. So at this point, that is x is equal to 11 pi over 6, we have f prime of 11 pi over 6. So we have minus sine 11 pi over 6. Now let us find out the value of sine 11 pi over 6 by splitting this angle. So we can now write 11 pi by 6 as 2 pi minus pi over 6, right? Because 6 times 2 is 12, so 12 pi minus pi is 11 pi, and this is 11 pi over 6, right? So 11 pi over 6 can be written as 2 pi minus pi over 6. So now here we can use an important identity from trigonometry, that is sine 2 pi minus theta is equal to negative of sine theta. So here we have 2 pi minus theta, and theta is pi over 6. So we have minus, and sine 2 pi minus theta is negative of sine theta, that is theta is pi over 6. So here negative and negative, it becomes positive, and here we have sine pi over 6, and this is sine 30 degrees, that is equal to half, right? So the value of sine 30 degrees is half. So the value of f prime of 11 pi over 6 when f of x is equal to mod of cosine x is equal to here 1 over 2. So the value of the derivative is half.